good morning dear students. How are you all? So today I'm here with new subject, okay, and this is general knowledge, okay. So let's get started. Please everybody take out page number 1 and this lesson 1, okay. So we are going to learn the first chapter of general knowledge or GK, and the title of this lesson is Famous Indians. This means famous means Prasiddha or Janamana Indians. Indians means Bharatiya. Those people who live in India, who are the citizens of India, are known as Indians. Okay. So let me tell you something about our country India at first. Okay. So India, also known as Bharat or Hindustan, is the largest democracy in the world. So India is the 7th largest country in the world with 7 neighboring countries. Okay. So as you can see the pictures of those great personalities of India. Okay. So let's read here first. We usually admire people for their qualities. These qualities inspire us. This means from these great personalities, we people used to get inspiration. Okay, so they are our inspiration. We must have to learn something from them. Okay, so the first picture I'm going to show you is he is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Okay, and let me tell you something about him. So Lal Bahadur Shastri was the second Prime Minister of India, and he was a great patriot and freedom fighter. Okay, and everybody please see, he is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Okay, don't forget. And the second picture I am showing you is of Mother Teresa. Okay, let me tell you something about her. Mother Teresa was a nun in Kolkata. Okay, she helped poor and sick people. She was also awarded the Nobel Prize for her service, and she was a very kind-hearted woman. Okay. She is Mother Teresa. And the third picture I'm going to show you is Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, so Rabindranath Tagore was an Indian poet. He wrote the Indian national anthem Jana Gana Mana and wrote the famous poem Gitanjali. Okay, he also received Nobel Prize. Okay, and he is Rabindranath Tagore. And the fourth picture I'm showing you is of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, so Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the 11th President of India. Okay, he was an aerospace scientist and also a writer. Okay, he is known as the Missile Man of India. Okay, so he is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, next picture we have is of she is Saina Nehwal. Okay, so Saina Nehwal is an Indian badminton player. Okay, and she is from Hyderabad. And the last picture I am showing is of the great personality. He is Pandit Ravi Shankar. Okay. So the last picture I am showing you is of he is Pandit Ravi Shankar. Okay. So he was a great personality of our country, and he was born on 7th April 1920 in Varanasi. Okay, and he was an Indian musician and composer. best known for popularizing the Indian classical instrument sitar. Sitar all over the world. Okay, so I hope you all come to know about these great personalities of our country. So repeat it again. Okay, their names: he is Lal Bahadur Shastri, she is Mother Teresa, he is Rabindranath Tagore, he is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, she is Saina Nehwal, and last he is Pandit Ravi Shankar. Okay, and the last part, it's written here, more to know. Okay, it's about India won the Cricket World Cup twice. Means India won the World Cup twice, means 2 times. Once in, the first time was in 1983 under the captaincy of Kapil Dev. Okay, and the second time in 2011 when Mahendra Singh Dhoni led the team. Okay, this was more thing to know about our country India. Okay, so today we have gone through this lesson 1. So I hope you all have understood this. Okay, so please learn their names. Okay, and don't forget, because these are the great personalities of our country and we should always remember their good work. Okay, and we should not forget them. Okay, thank you children.